Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be going over how to stream and record your screen in stretch resolution in OBS Studio. So, to get started, what you want to do in OBS Studio is you want to head over to the settings tab in the bottom right, and once you do that, you want to head over to output. You want to make sure your output mode is set to advanced, and you want to make sure the rescale output is disabled. Once you do that, you want to head over to video, and you want to make sure your base resolution is set to 19 by 20 and your output is set to 19 by 1080. Then you want to make sure to apply, click OK, and then you want to head over and create a source. You want to create a game capture. Once you create that, you want to make sure that you either have capture any full screen application or it capture a specific window. Once you have capture a specific window, you want to make sure to select the game that you are trying to play. And for notice, you want to make sure that in the game itself that your settings is set to full screen display, or else this won't work. Once you've done that, you want to make sure that you have access to the Edit Transform tab. Once you get there, you want to adjust the size. And you will be able to adjust the size of the game once it's running, or if you have any full screen application, you want to have it set to 1920, and then this one set to 1080. Once that's done, your game should be in stretch resolution. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.